Welcome back to DIY Wood Revival. Today I'm going to show you how I built these budget-friendly, quick, easy sawhorses. Let's get started.
I'll be using plywood 2x4s for this project, just because I can get them for $1.50 a metre from a local supplier. To start, I'll cut 7 pieces, all measuring the same length on the miter saw. Using a stop block made this very quick and ensures all cuts are exactly the same. If you want to see how I put this miter station together, there's a link in the description. Next, I put 3 pieces together to make an I-beam that will make the horizontal part of the sawhorse. I probably didn't need to use glue here, but I thought I might as well. Then I pre-drilled and countersunk all the holes to ensure the heads of the screws didn't sit proud. Because there's such a big overhang, it makes a great surface for clamping against. To finish the I-beam, I drove in 3 screws on each side. When the I-beam was finished, I prepped the legs by drilling and countersinking 2 holes at the top of each leg. I'll add a 3rd screw lower down the leg once I've attached the legs to the I-beam. Then I was ready to assemble. I just made sure that each leg was hard up against the I-beam, and then I drove in the screws. These are super quick to put together. I did 2 of these in less than 30 minutes. You can make it to whatever height suits you. Because these are so cheap and fast to put together, you can use the top as a sacrificial piece when cutting. And when the top gets too chewed up, you can remove the legs and flip it over and start again. And there you have it, a finished sawhorse. Sturdy, practical, and ready to tackle your next project. And they also stack nicely, so they don't take up too much space when you're not using them.
Okay, that's it, finished. It's nice and sturdy, it's not going anywhere. I mean, I'm 120 kgs, and that's not moving at all, that's not budging. If you were worried about the legs splaying out, you can chuck stretchers on there just to make it a bit more secure, but I mean, this is sitting on slippery concrete, that's not going anywhere, it's solid as, so I'm happy as with that. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY Wood Revival content. Thanks for watching.